Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is red bean congee. Its ingredients are red beans, rice, and water. In the famous Chinese medicine book, Compendium of Materia Medica, red bean is called the Valley of the Heart. It has the effect of nourishing blood and replenishing the heart. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, rice can nourish the spleen and the stomach, harmonize the 5 internal organs, and open blood vessels. Rice is rich in nutrients and is one of the main foods of the Chinese people. Red beans and rice are used together to cook congee, which is beneficial to the body. Cooking red bean congee is very simple. Let's get started. Prepare 30 grams of red beans, 50 grams of rice, washed. Add them to the electric pressure cooker. Pour 700 milliliters of water. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Use a pressure cooker because red beans are not easy to cook through. Delicious red bean congee is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.